Hi, this is Ken Torino, the president of K-Tor, and in this video we're actually going to explore using our devices as educational tools. Our devices are being used very widely in schools, museums, and by power companies to demonstrate electricity generation and electricity conservation. And the nice thing about our devices is when you crank, it generates electricity, and we'll use a light bulb because you immediately get a visual effect. You can see how much light you generate for how much effort for which kind of light bulbs. So they make excellent demonstration vehicles for those kind of applications. And we'll also give you some tips on how best to use it. What I'm going to demonstrate right now is the hand crank with a couple of different light bulbs. And because when you crank, it generates electricity, you get an immediate feedback. So let me start out with an incandescent, and you'll see what's going to happen. It's very hard to crank because this is a 40-watt light bulb, and of course the generator is seriously overloaded. And if you look at the filament, you're getting a little bit of a glow, but you're not getting much light. So that's one case. Now I'm going to take this light bulb out. And I'm going to put a fluorescent, compact fluorescent in. Okay, and that's a compact fluorescent. It's a 60-watt equivalent, which is rated at 13 watts. So it's a slight overload, but as you can see, the generator can handle it, and there's a huge difference in the light produced, and of course it's easier. And last, I'm going to put in an LED. And this one, you can't see the feel, but it's extremely easy to crank for this LED. And again, you're getting some brightness there. It's not like the incandescent. So this makes a really good educational tool because the student can actually feel it and can see it, and it happens instantaneous. We also have some tips on our website under the educator section. We provide a discount for educators, which you should definitely take advantage of, and also for what we call museum mode. And we'll talk about that with the power box a little bit. But museum mode can be a tough application because the way generators are designed is you would have an initial overload as you're bringing it up to speed, and then it would run at its normal rate. It's sort of like if your car, if you turned it on and went 5 feet, turned it off, turned it on, went 5 feet, that's obviously very bad for the car. Museum mode is a tough application for us because you can have a kid try for 3 seconds, a kid try for 3 seconds, a kid try for 3 seconds all day long, and so it's constantly an overload. So we have some tips on how to help you, and in our supplement on how to set up the power box, we're going to go through those in detail. So make sure you look at that video as well. Thanks.